Have questions for our experts? Well, they have the answers. Joining us today is Matt of American Air and Heat, our resident air and heating expert. Matt, thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure to be here.
Today is going to be about preventative maintenance. This is a big deal, and a lot of people don't know what that entails. Can you share that with us?
The biggest advantage is going to be a lower power bill, and you get in front of any catastrophic failures that might happen during August. You can find out about them when the weather's there to support it. So a proper preventative maintenance should be about 24 points and should take a technician anywhere from an hour up to an hour and a half. So we're going to go through it with a fine-tooth comb and try to get in front of anything like a drain line backup or something small that can make a big impact on your home.
So by simply making one appointment, you're saving big in the long run.
100%.
Matt, thank you so much for your time. If you have questions, American Air and Heat has the answers. Visit AmericanAirandHeat.com to learn more.